What the hell? Where did that come from? We're almost synced.
At 6:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 miles west of Lebanon to 13 miles west of Cleveland to 8 miles northwest of Charlestown to 8 miles northwest of Walpole to 9 miles northwest of West Berlin, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
What the?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
WXM. KZ41. WNG. Damn.
Newport, Houston, Windsor, Walpole, Warner, Hillsborough, Austin, Marlow, Surrey, and Sullivan. This includes Interstate 89 between mile markers 18 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Sullivan.
Wow, that barely made it. Damn, dude.
WXJ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz from Plaza, Washington.
Haha! Oh, that's part of a different system.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Enfield or near Lebanon, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
WXM, KZZ41, and WNG.
Locations of active include Lebanon, Grafton, Hanover, Enfield, Canyon, Danbury, Groton, Bristol, Grantham, Lyme, Croydon, Huron, Dorchester, Orange, Springfield, Brentwood, Rumney, Sunapee, Orford, and Plainfield. This includes Interstate 89 between mile markers 38 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Grafton, and Sullivan. This is no weather radio station WXJ4. Southwestern Oxford County in western Maine, northeastern Jewell County in northern New Hampshire until 9:30 p.m.
Oh, that's only because they included Carroll County. Oh, Conway.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
KZZ41, and WNG. WXM didn't relay it.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Oxford, Maine, and Carroll, New Hampshire.
There's a severe thunderstorm next to us, but they never extended it, which confuses me. That's weird. You can hear that blah 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 through the Emerson. That's weird. Hmm? It is. Oh my freaking god. Second day in a row with unexpected warnings. Yep, went off on here.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
WNG.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Hillsborough, New Hampshire.
That's one of the shortest ones I've ever gotten when it comes to SBRs. How is this not going off right? Oh, that's a severe storm skirting past us. 10 miles an hour? Okay.
Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
KZZ 41 and WNG. And it was the one time I walked away from IMBot today.
This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 15 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.
Not Stratford? Oh, wait. Yeah.
This is now on the radio station WNG, broadcasting on a frequency of 106.40 megahertz. From class.
I told you that storm was just below severe criteria.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, south central Oxford County in western Maine, west central Cumberland County in southwestern Maine until 7:15 p.m.
Only because it's in northwestern York County.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Cornish, Oregon, 13 miles northeast of Ossipee, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Yep, not WX, KZZ 40.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeton, Hiram, Cornish,
WNG too. Nice.
Oh, top of the street. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Oakland, Oxford, and York. This is no weather radio station. Broadcasting on a frequency of 106.
Oh my god, it's like the fourth day in a row. Jesus Christ, Gray.
County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Boston, Oregon, 11 miles west of
Yep, KZZ 40.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail
WNG.
Boston, Epsom, Brentwood, Mount Vernon, Lynnborough, Francistown, and Woodland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11, Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 10, Interstate 93 between mile markers 10 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room
Of course,
on
the
the
one
lowest floor of a
time.
building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.
GT44.
This is no weather radio station. WXT40 broadcasting. Weather Service in Irene has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for until 6 p.m.
Oh, that explains it. Carroll County. KZZ41. WNG. I'm actually surprised.
Locations impacted include Conway, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Naples, Alderley, Buxton, Hollis,
Conway, bud.
Cornish, Standish, Raymond, Waterboro, Catskill, Leamington, Limerick, Madison, Brownfield, Freedom, and Denmark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Cumberland, Oxford and York, and Carroll, New Hampshire. This is No Weather Radio Station WXT.
Huh? What'd you say? Oh. Oh, it's Boston. Ugh. Gotta love Boston. Crap. Taking the entire alert. Yep, WNG. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the monthly test. Of course you didn't go off. Ah. That was the shortest alert activation I've ever gotten. Better not do 3 tones, bud. You mocked Tennessee! This didn't go off, right? Oh, there we go. What's with this button? Oops. Yeah, the next one I get's not until November. Nice. That even went off right. That actually went off correctly with bad reception. This should say it too. Yes, sirree.
Partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Friday night through Sunday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the upper 70s.
Nice. Well, I'd say that was a success, even though my main station didn't go off. Anyway, monthly test complete. Don't have to worry about these going off for another one until November. Well, that concludes that segment.
Northwestern Oxford County in western Maine. Northeastern Coos County in northern New Hampshire.
F you.
Until 7:30 p.m.
It's already out of New Hampshire.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Colebrook, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, batteries.
Yep.
Columbia, Clarksville, Upper Cupsipig, Oxford,
KZZ40.
Newtown, Parmagony, Morgantown, Stewartstown, Lower Cupsipig,
KZZ41. WNG. Wow, I'm actually surprised WNG went off.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
I think it's now been a whole week.
Vehicle through flooded roadways.
Could be wrong, though.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Oxford, Maine, and Coos, New Hampshire. This is New Weather Radio Station W.
Hey, my accurate went off at least.
Central Oxford County in western
You just issued one.
Coos County in northern New Hampshire until 7:30
Same exact areas. Hey. This one off, though. Thought that was for the special air statement. That's in my area now. KZZ41. Ah, WNG was too staticky. Dang it. Yeah, they are dumber for issuing a warning that was already in effect.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Oxford, Maine, and Coos, New Hampshire. Here is excessive heat advisory information.
Dang. Better not be a nader. I was eyeballing that one in southern New Hampshire, and you shut up. Man, we weren't supposed to really get anything today. Hmm. KZC41, there we go. Yep, and WNG.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle
I'm gonna try this
on
one.
roadways. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30
Oh, there we go.
Grafton and Sullivan. Here is a special weather statement for the following. Was tracking.
Wow. 11:40 that time, bud.
This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazard.
KZZ41. WNG can barely hear it, but it counts.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for interior southern New Hampshire, including the city of Concord. West of today, cloudy. Patchy drizzle late this night. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds.